In today's video, I'll show you how to copy chat conversations in Microsoft Teams. This is something many of us need to do from time to time, whether it's for documentation, sharing information, or keeping a record of important messages. Knowing how to copy chats properly can save you time and make your work much easier. So let's walk through the steps together. To begin, sign in to Microsoft Teams. Open your web browser and go to the Teams sign-in page. If you're not already logged in, enter your account details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Teams dashboard, which is the main area where you can access all your chats, teams, and activities. Next, find the chat conversation you want to copy. On the left side of the Teams interface, you'll see a sidebar with several icons. Click on the chat icon to view your recent conversations. From there, scroll through your chat list to locate the specific conversation or message thread you need. You can either browse manually or use the search bar to find it faster. After opening the correct chat, it's time to select the text you want to copy. Use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the message or section of the conversation you need. You can select a single message, multiple messages, or even a longer part of the conversation, depending on what you want to keep. Once the text is highlighted, copy it using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and C. On a Mac, press Command and C. This copies the selected text to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you like. Let's quickly review the process. You signed in to Microsoft Teams, opened your chat history, selected the conversation, highlighted the text, and used the keyboard shortcut to copy it. It's a simple and efficient method that lets you move information from Teams to documents, emails, or other apps with ease. This is a must-know tip for anyone who uses Microsoft Teams regularly, whether for work or personal communication. It helps you stay organized, save time, and keep important information easily accessible. And that's it. You now know how to copy chat conversations in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tricks.